This is John Polrai. I'm coming to you from Tokyo, Japan, and today I am covering this article by Deadline from February 2nd called Johnny Depp will receive hearing in March over bid to appeal UK court's wife-beater ruling. So, from what I understand, they're going to have a conversation for 2 hours and determine whether they're going to appeal the case. But let's take a closer look. Johnny Depp and his legal team will receive an oral hearing in their bid to appeal a decision handed down by UK High Court that the Sun newspaper did not libel the actor by branding him a wife-beater in a 2018 article. Court of Appeal Judge Lord Justice Underhill, by the way, that's Frodo Baggins' secret name in Lord of the Rings, decreed yesterday that an estimated 2-hour hearing will take place between March 15th and 31st, at which further evidence will be adduced. The issue raised by both applications are best resolved at a hearing, he wrote. Amber Heard's legal team will need to file reasons for opposing the appeal by February 21st, while Depp's team will be able to respond by February 28th, which is actually my birthday. So, two good luck things here. One, Lord of the Rings reference with Underhill. In the novels, by the way, not in the movies, but in the novels, Frodo goes by the name Underhill, and my birthday, so looking good, guys. The actor is looking to overturn the previous decision that he was not libeled by the news group-owned tabloid when it branded him a wife-beater, with the initial ruling stating the phrase was substantially true in relation to his relationship with ex-wife Heard. The verdict was damning for Depp, stating he did assault Miss Heard in reference to multiple allegations of domestic violence. Since the verdict, Depp's lawyers have claimed the actor did not receive a fair trial and the ruling was plainly wrong. In very nice words, they say that. Depp's legal battle with Heard in the U.S. continues to roll on. So, from what I understand here, they're going to talk about it for a little while and come to a conclusion. I think if Mr. Underhill here is a legitimate, fair, non-biased, objective judge, try it again. Objective judge, then, well, it should appeal and Johnny should win this UK case. I can't say this is good news. It's kind of neutral news. It's news that he has a chance to appeal it. Could something go wrong? I guess, maybe. But like I said, if everything's legit, it should move forward. Let's see what some people are saying. We got 35 comments here. Not so great, Deadline, because I'm going to get more than 35. Not to compare, not to brag, but come on, Deadline. I'm a little hard on Deadline because they flip-flop. They take Johnny's side, Amber's side, Johnny's side, Amber's side. So, basically, they're not so great. The world needs you, Johnny Depp, in the screens, doing what you do best. Justice for Johnny Depp, you see that a lot. Wonderful man, justice for Johnny. Thank you, Angela. It's quite fascinating how so many celebrities abuse the press, a quest for fame at the expense of someone else. If Johnny was so abusive, then why did Amber stay as long as she did and not file criminal charges against Johnny immediately after the abuses? You gotta wonder why these stars put these cases of abuse out in the media. Why not just go to court and say, I was abused, it's terrible, but it's kind of embarrassing and personal, and, let me keep it to myself. I just want justice to be done. Why take it to the media? Are you searching for attention? I guess you could make the argument that, the person might be searching for help, but can't they just reach out to people who would help them anyway with their own platforms? Just saying, guys. I think if I was abused, and it was this humiliating, embarrassing thing, I wouldn't want that in public. I want it to be as low-key as possible. Just my opinion. So Amber the abuser says, Amber has a history of abusing her parents whom she was in a relationship with and hitting her sister and mother. Didn't know about that she hit her mother. She severed Johnny's finger, and I'm amazed that the court did not find her guilty of anything. She drinks several bottles of wine a day, plus a heavy cocaine user. This girl has a long history of setting people up for her personal narratives and using her colleagues' R-word story as her own. Put this bitch in prison. She does not represent women. She is a vile, manipulative person. I think I'll end it with that comment. And shout out here to Victoria Scavy for the link to the article. So yeah, that's the news. Basically, the appeal court's going through, and in March, which is not too far away from now, we'll find out about it definitively, whether it's going to happen or not. I heard it's going to take 2 years until they actually get the case going. This is what I heard about a month ago, something like that. Maybe it'll get sped up. Not sure. Maybe because of the beer bug, the pandemic out in the world, things are moving slower. Maybe if that calms down in a year, it'll speed up. But for now, we'll still be waiting a while. You guys, of course, let me know what you think down below. Just doing one quick video for tonight because I'll have probably another 4, 5 ready for the weekend. Maybe 6. Who knows? Sometimes I get lazy. If you're not subscribed here and you don't subscribe, I'll be sad, but I'll get over it. See you next time.